In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features. Now you need to scroll again, but this time click on Dual Messenger. Finally, to clone any app, use gray switcher right next to it and hit Install in the pop-up. Then wait. If you decided you don't want to use separate contact list, click on it on the left. Enable it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner and hit Select Contacts. Now to add them, click on Add at the top right corner and tap on the ones you want to select. Then tap on Done at the bottom and go back. If you decided you don't want to use separate contact list, you can disable it thanks to this switcher or simply exit this option after cloning your apps. Wherever you decided, every time you will see this pop-up. To confirm your choice and disable separate contact list, hit OK. So now when I go back and check my app, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wanna delete this clone, you can always go back to the same section in Settings and use blue switcher next to your app. Then hit Uninstall in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!